In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Perplexity's research mode for academic deep dives. We'll walk through a simple flow that turns a quick question into a reliable, well-sourced answer you can trust. First, open Perplexity in your browser. When the page loads, head straight to the chat box. And that's your main workspace. Here, enable the research option. Think of this as switching from a casual search to a more rigorous investigation. With research on, Perplexity looks for multiple credible sources, compares information, and presents a cleaner synthesis with citations. It's perfect when you need depth, accuracy, and transparency instead of a fast but shallow reply. Next, move to the sources area. This is where you can shape the quality of what you'll see. Toggle on academic. That tells Perplexity to prioritize academic papers and scholarly literature, the kind of material that's peer-reviewed or published in reputable journals. Turning on academic dramatically improves the reliability of your results, especially for complex or controversial topics, and it helps you trace claims back to original studies. Now return to the chat box and type your question. Clear, specific wording helps. You can set a scope, define a time frame, or name a domain if you need to narrow the focus. For this walkthrough, I'll ask, what are the main criticisms of global warming? A question like this benefits from the research mode because it invites a structured summary backed by evidence and scholarly debate, not just opinions. Perplexity will gather information from academic sources, synthesize the key points, and show you where they came from. You'll typically see a concise overview of the main arguments and counter-arguments, plus citations that let you verify claims or dive deeper. As you read, look for consistent themes across sources and notice how the tool highlights differing perspectives. That balance is one of the strengths of using research with the academic filter. If you need to refine your understanding, you can adjust your wording or add clarifying details in your next prompt. But even the first pass should give you a credible, well-organized snapshot with direct links to the literature. And that's it. You've gone from a broad question to an academically grounded answer in just a few steps. With clear sourcing you can trust for study, writing, or informed decision-making. You're done.